Welcome to Bizplay. In this video, I will show you how to add videos in playlists. Start by adding a new page and renaming it. And select Edit to go to the Page Designer. Let's add a video by selecting the Video app. From here, you can upload your own videos. After the video has uploaded, select the video and click on Use to add it to the page. Double-click the video element to make it fit the screen. Under Video Properties, we can adjust the video settings, such as from what time the video should start playing. When you select Video determines the page's playback duration, the video always plays from the start time to end time during playback. Let's now add a YouTube video by adding a new page from the dashboard. Let's quickly rename this to YouTube and start editing. Find the YouTube app under Apps and add it to the page. Under the Video Properties, you can paste the URL of the YouTube video that you would like to add. Click on the play button next to the URL to preview the video. The YouTube app also gives you the option to set the time from which the video should start playing, as well as the end time. Let's make the video fit the screen by double-clicking it and go back to the dashboard by clicking on Save and Back. Now, the Vimeo app works basically the same as YouTube. Let me quickly show you how the Vimeo app looks by adding a new page. Find the Vimeo app under Apps, and you can see that it looks very similar to the YouTube app. Now that we added two videos, let's add them to a new playlist. You can rename the playlist to whatever you like. Now simply start dragging the pages to the playlist to add them. Click on Edit Playback Duration to set the time of the video. As you can see, we cannot edit the time for the first video since we selected the option that the video determines the playback time. Let's save the video and preview it. And this is the result.